In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide in Google Sheets and Excel. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to get a quick and straightforward understanding of how to perform division within these widely used spreadsheet programs. Whether you're managing personal finances or handling data for work, knowing how to divide in Google Sheets or Excel will come in handy. Let's get started by opening a Google Sheets document. If you haven't already created one, simply go to Google Drive, click on New in the top left corner, and then select Google Sheets. This will open a fresh spreadsheet ready for you to start working with. For this tutorial, we'll focus on dividing numbers within specific cells. To follow along, make sure you have your Google Sheet open. Next, we'll perform a simple division operation. Move to cell C6, which is where we'll enter our formula. In Google Sheets, formulas are essential when it comes to carrying out calculations, and division is no different. Go ahead and click on cell C6 to make it active. Here we are going to write our division formula. A common mistake can be using incorrect syntax. Remember, formulas in spreadsheets always start with an equal sign. Type in the formula as equals A2, B2. What this formula does is divide the value in cell A2 by the value in cell B2. It's crucial to ensure that you have numerical values in both A2 and B2 for this to work correctly. If you're starting with an empty sheet, you can enter numbers of your choice into cells A2 and B2 to perform the division. Likewise, it's always a good practice to double-check these entries to avoid any potential errors when calculating. Once you've entered the formula in cell C6, the final step is to hit the Enter key. This will execute the formula, and you should immediately see the result of the division in cell C6. It's a simple yet powerful calculation that can help in a variety of real-world scenarios, from basic arithmetic operations to more complex financial computations. Taking the time to understand these basics builds a solid foundation for mastering other, more intricate functions within spreadsheets. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to performing division in Google Sheets or Excel. It's these little snippets of knowledge that can save you time and effort in your spreadsheets workflow. With this skill under your belt, you're well equipped to handle basic division tasks with ease, streamlining your data work like a pro. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy calculating.